Hi, I'm Bob with Crest Architectural Products, and today I want to talk about our Panel Effects pre-finished, preform gypsum panels. Recently, a drywall contractor called me and outlined a serious challenge he was having on one of his projects. The project was a large community center with a huge multi-pool area that had moisture-proof gypsum panels up to 21 feet high between the columns surrounding the pools. The said contractor's completion time had been squeezed by other trades, and site conditions were difficult to get materials in and move boom lift equipment in and around the pools. He knew he was going to take a hit on profit, and the thought of the laborious task of beating and finishing the edges of all these panels for weeks and weeks sent him to the phone. The contractor called Crest and invited us to site to get a thorough understanding of the issues that he was faced with. I proposed our proven Panel Effects pre-finished gypsum panels for this application. This is the finished effect of our milled gypsum products. Perfect, crisp, pre-finished edges resulting in absolutely minimal taping on every panel. The following day we delivered a sample and confirmed the uniform dimensions between the columns, and we were ready to go. We at Crest are here to make your projects run smoother with greater profitability on every project, every day. Call us today to learn more about Panel FX and what we can do for you. Thank you.